Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to transfer files using Wi-Fi Direct on Android. For this, I have two Android phones here. We'll turn on Wi-Fi, YouTube, Bluetooth, and location services. Same on this one. Next, go to Settings. Then select Wi-Fi Direct. Here and here. We open it on both devices. You need to be on the same Wi-Fi network, okay? Now let's connect to the device. Here. Wait, they're connected now. Next, we'll send what we want. Let's go. Say I want to send this photo, for example. Tap Share and select. Choose this phone, hit Accept, and the image transfers. There. It takes a bit because the image is quite large. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye everyone.